the ultimate. Somebody was on top of their A game here. Check that bad boy out. Ugh. Can't really see it. Motherfucker. Anyway, yeah. These guys are top-notch fabricators. Whoever fucking glued this little prefab shelf to this tank just laid this big old turd up there. Excellent. Excellent. Too good. Too fucking sweet. Fucking minty. I don't know what that was. That's the anomaly. Maybe somebody was like, here, weld it so it kind of looks like this. And then handed it over to his homeboy. He started doing shit like this. I don't know. That's how they roll here in Minnesota. No pipelines, no fucking big industry, just farms and shit. What you get.